This is a used Yama Seiki 2011 low hours. We show 2,800 hours on the control. So Fanuc OITD control. Looks excellent all the way around. Sounds really good. We'll power it up and run it through its cycle. Wait, you can hit the cycle start while I'm talking. So there's a demonstration program in there. Quick tool change. It shows the constant surface on the tool because as it's cutting the OD, it speeds up. It's got a 15-inch power 3-jaw, power tailstock. There's some tool holders on the turret, plus in a second I'll show you the chip conveyor, which is slid out right now with some extra tool holders. .30 horsepower. It's one of their heavy-duty machines. Take a walk around the back and then we'll come back to it. There's a chip conveyor and coolant system. Some extra tool holders. The whole machine is very clean. Almost put it into the cycle. Run time. Okay, it's just finishing the cycle now. And there is what it shows. Run time. Okay, hit cycle start again.